Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect poached eggs for Eggs Benedict. First, gather your essential tools: fresh eggs, a wide pot, and a slotted spoon. A pot with an 8-inch diameter or larger works best for poaching multiple eggs. Also, prepare a bowl of ice water. This will be crucial for stopping the cooking process and chilling your eggs if you are making them ahead of time. Next, let's prepare your poaching water. Fill your pot with approximately 4 inches of water. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, maintaining their shape. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, where small bubbles form at the bottom, but it's not vigorously boiling. A rolling boil can break apart your delicate eggs. Now for the poaching technique. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This prevents the yolk from breaking and makes it easier to slide into the water. Gently lower each egg into the simmering water. Avoid overcrowding the pot. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or longer if you prefer a firmer consistency. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove each poached egg from the water using your slotted spoon. Briefly place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess water. This step ensures your Eggs Benedict won't be watery. Serve your beautifully poached eggs immediately on toasted English muffins with Canadian bacon and hollandaise sauce for a classic and delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.